Macau is colonized by Portugal since 18th century. So the locals here are Portuguese and Cantonese. The history of it, because during the war between Macau and Portugal since 18th century, it was burned.
Ini pertama kali ke Macau, luar biasa. Kalau kalian punya rezeki lebih, wajib kesini, datang ke sini. Even kalau kita nggak masuk ke kasinonya, tapi vibe masuknya, wow. Halo, selamat pagi. Sekarang hari ketiga di Hong Kong. Hari ini kita mau trip ke Macau. Seperti biasa, naik MTR. Jujur aja ya, kita belum pernah ke sana, jadi nggak tahu harus ambil jurusan apa. Kita searching aja, modal tekad, modal tanya ke orang-orang. Oke, ini udah ke stasiun MTR. Tunggu ya keseruan dari kita.
Kalau 5 ada nih.
Coba. Lagi proses ya.
$5.
Enggak usah, ini Pak.
Ini ada nih, Pak. Udah.
Masih proses.
Lagi dari Mayo ya.
Tereng. Di bayang warga. Dan Duh, belum tak ini ya prosesnya, bodoh.
Iya.
Nggak bisa.
Laut sini.
Udah dari tadi kan nggak tampilin. Cancel dulu deh.
Nah, masukin uangnya.
Cancel.
Please debit your money.
Nggak sabar dulu. Nah, udah. Dal.
Udahnya 1.
Nggak bisa tadi kan.
Langsung
Masukin.
Tadi aku udah gitu.
Kok nggak mau?
Ya. Pardon? 800 for 5. 800.000 semuanya 5 orang.
$800.
Iya.
800 ya?
Ada apa?
Nggak ada.
Ada paket Pak.
8. Nah, baliknya pakai uang masing-masing ya.
Iya.
Tinggal 200.
If I buy from Macau to Hong Kong, here is it okay? Is it possible?
What time do you want to come back?
The last bus.
Macau, from Macau.
Oh, ini ada Venetian, ada Sands.
No, 5 ticket, 10 o'clock go to Macau first.
Okay.
So you want to buy the return ticket here?
Wait a minute. Nah, ya maksudnya dari mana? Tetap dari Macau juga atau dari mana? Ini ada Sands. Ini jam sampai 9.
Oke, jadi sana.
Saya.
Nanti takutnya kita nggak tahu jalan.
What time the last bus from the Macau from to here? At 9 or 9. Oh, okay.
Masih bisa lah kita
Masih
ntar di
bisa.
sana aja.
Okay, maybe I buy there.
Ya.
Thank you.
You can come back here 10 minutes before. Just wait outside.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Akhirnya bisnya sudah datang. Perjalanan dari Hong Kong ke Macau melalui jembatan HKZN memakan waktu kisaran 3-4 jam. Di sepanjang perjalanan, pemandangannya cakep banget.
時間。過關之後，請你去到旅檢大樓嘅另外一端，靠右手邊出咗玻璃門之後，揾翻1號道。
Macau is colonized by Portugal since 18th century. So the locals here are Portuguese and Cantonese. And now the Portuguese have many building they made here, like this one. This is the Saint Dominic Church. This was built since 18th century. And also these places, these landscapes, this was built since 18th century and they just only preserve it. That's how old it is.
Soon as will become a vlogger.
Oh, really? Anyway, as you can see, there are a lot of people come here every day. Millions of tourists come here from different countries.
Yeah.
As you can see, there are a lot of people come from Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, Japan, or even US come here every day. Yeah,
So
a
a lot of
lot of tourists.
tourists
Yes.
from around the world come here.
Yeah, this is one of their main income in Macau. That's why Macau is so rich. Because there are a lot of tourists come here every day, every day. Especially holidays. By the way, do you like Pop March? Not really. Okay.
Labubu.
Yeah, Labubu. And this place starts here, the so-called free taste area. For example, if you want to, to taste all the Chinese products, like all the Chinese pastries, you can get inside here and have a free taste if you like. You want? No, you're still full.
Yeah.
Okay. These are for free taste. No, you will not use your money to taste it. It's free. Yeah. And as you can see, all the people going out here came from ruins of St. Paul. Yes. Have a taste. This one. This is a jerky.
Try.
No, pork?
Pork.
Ah, pork. Oh, no.
你的不是坡啊！
Oh, I'm sorry. You don't.
kidding me?
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Later, brother, if you want to buy some souvenirs, we can buy here later.
Okay.
If we got down, we get down. Yeah, there it is.
Like Europe.
Mm-hmm. Okay, brother. You know the history about this ruins of St. Paul?
We don't have
The history of it, because during the war between Macau and Portugal since 18th century, it was burnt during the war, and only the front wall remained. And then it became like a sacred place. That's why this is the most popular place in Macau. This, the ruins of St. Paul.
I think because earthquake.
No, it was burned during the war. Yeah, and only the front wall remained.
Yeah. Where place we can take the picture?
Here's the best place.
The best place.
Yeah, you can take it.
Foto bareng?
Of course, you will take a photo here.
Disebutkan gereja Portugis abad ke-17 ini didedikasikan kepada Rasul Santo Paulus. Koh Alam menjelaskan pada tahun 1835 gereja ini pernah kesambar petir karena badai taifun sehingga terbakar dan hanya menyisakan tembok bagian depan saja. Gereja ini sudah beberapa kali diperbaiki karena kebakaran yang sebelumnya akhirnya tersambar petir. Sayang banget kalau udah jauh-jauh ke Macau nggak cobain makanan satu ini. Namanya egg tart Portugis. Rasanya itu kayak pai susu. di Bali, cuman lembutnya enak banget deh. Wajib coba ini.
So these are the gold bars.
Wow,
These.
Mas Batang dong.
Ori.
Ori lah.
So this is the proof that these are all legit. It was written here that these gold bar are legit.
Wow. Emporium Place.
Wilayah administrasi khusus Tiongkok adalah satu-satunya tempat Tiongkok yang melegalkan kasino. Perjudian telah legal sejak tahun 1850-an, ketika pemerintah Portugis melegalkan aktivitas tersebut di koloni otonom tersebut. Setelah penyerahan Makau dari Portugal ke Tiongkok, Makau dan bisnisnya telah tumbuh dengan kecepatan mencengangkan sejak tahun 2001. Sejak saat itu, Makau telah dikenal di seluruh dunia sebagai kota perjudian, meraup pendapatan perjudian permainan terbanyak dan jauh mengungguli semua pusat kota perjudian lainnya.
Gila, buat di ballroom nih. Sumpah, gila, mewah banget guys. Mewah, sumpah amazing banget sumpah ini.
Kita bentaran doang nggak puas ya.
Iya. Ini pertama kali ke Makau, luar biasa. Kalau kalian punya rezeki lebih, wajib kesini, datang ke sini. Even kalau kita nggak masuk ke kasinonya, tapi hype masuknya, wow. Mewah. Gila sih, keren. So, kita mau balik ke Hong Kong. Kita naik bis Bali. Semoga masih ada bisnya ya. Kalau nggak ada ya
Oh, itu one bus.
Bus itu lo langsung
Ban bus.
Situ.
Punya ban bus.
Bukan, itu yang reservasi.
Kan kita ini yang udah cuma dia.
Iya.
Iya ya udah. Bisa dikit.